Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. And today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I wanted to do this as a live so you could ask questions, but I've not done a live before and that setup seems really complicated and I really wanted to open these boxes. So for those who haven't watched my channel before, I'm Shannon and I love rocks and gemstones, and I get the question a lot, where do you buy your rough rocks for tumbling? And it's not an easy question to answer because I have about 6 or more places that I buy rocks depending on their variety, their pricing, and the quality of their rough. I buy different rocks in different places. And I also buy supplies in different places. And so the intention of this video is to show you what I receive from some of these rock stores, the quality that they're packed in. This is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form at all. This is just for your knowledge. This is just me sharing knowledge to you to help you along in your rock tumbling hobby. So the first box that I'm going to open is from the Rock Shed, and I love this store. It's a little store, it's a small business, and they just have really great quality customer service and shipping. So the reason why these are, oh geez, they're heavy. So when you have rock tumbling as a hobby, all your packages are really heavy and your postal carrier is gonna hate you. But this is probably this is at least 20 pounds, probably 25. If I remember what's in here. And this is from the Rock Shed, and he does not charge you right away for your purchase. He packs it up, and the owner's name is Sean, I believe. He packs it up, and if he can fit it in a smaller box or a box for a better price, he charges you that price. So it's, clearly very nicely packed, no rips, tears, or anything. That was heavy. Next one was heavier though. I think that and the next one's about 30 pounds. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Okay. So when you have rock tumbling as a hobby, shipping can often really get you because you're shipping really heavy stuff, and I think this was $18 to ship all this. So what I got in this package is I actually got very little rock. Most of it is supplies, but I did pick up some yellow Jasper to round out some that I already had, so I could have a full barrel of yellow Jasper in the future. But the Rock Shed is where I get most of my supplies. And today I got aluminum oxide polish. I got 10 pounds of this. And I got 5 pounds of fine and extra fine grit aluminum oxide. So this is 5 pounds of fine 500 aluminum oxide grit, and this is 1,000 aluminum oxide grit, 5 pounds each. So that, this is 32 pounds in here. Yeah, 10, 5, 5. No, I'm sorry, I can't count. It's 22 pounds. So that was I needed to replenish some supplies, and they always have really good prices and a really good selection. The next box is from a store called Kingsley North, and this is honestly the first time I've ever purchased from them. They have a smaller variety of rough rocks, but they've got some things that people don't have at a good price. So let me this is bigger. This came through FedEx, and it's a big box, but it's packaged nicely. There's no tears. Let me tell you this story. I purchased wholesale tumbled rocks for my bracelet and gem sets. I purchased these a couple months ago. And I purchased probably like 20-25 pounds of rocks. And this company sent me a box that was meant for the grocery store. So some kind of food product came in it. And it's great that they recycle boxes. Awesome. However, it was a box that was perforated around the sides so that you could just tear off the top and put the case of food on the shelf. And they did not tape it to protect the perforation. So when I received it, the box was literally tearing itself apart, and there was this big maw, this gaping mouth in the box. And I had to actually check the packing sheet with all of the supplies and make sure that nothing fell out. The hole was that big. And I gave feedback to the company, like, you should really, really secure these boxes better, like use that reinforced tape. And they just emailed back, they're like, yeah, we recycle boxes, we're eco-friendly. I'm like, well, that's nice, but you need to put more tape on it then. Anyway, that was a segue. We're gonna get back to Kingsley North, who packed their box, who packed this box very nicely, and there is reinforced tape. I can see it on here. Let me open this up. Shipping was pretty reasonable on this too, and I think is around the same range of $18. Ugh. Oh, nice. Okay. Now shipping was $30 actually. So again, if you're in the rock tumbling hobby, shipping can get you on some of these. So, but this was 25 pounds of rocks shipped for $30. And to be fair, the prices of the rocks were really super reasonable. Oh, I got a catalog. So the cost of the shipping kind of, it balanced out. Ooh, so I bought Apache Tears in this batch, and they sent me some instructions for tumbling Apache Tears. I will read that later. And so we're gonna look at this. This is, oh, these are nice. These are nice, packed nicely. So it looks like these are the Apache Tears, 5 pounds. And, ooh, this is Snowflake Obsidian, 5 pounds. I hope you can hear me over the rock and plastic shuffling. But this is Snowflake Obsidian, 5 pounds. These plastic bags feel fairly sturdy. Red Jasper. I already had some red Jasper, but it's more brecciated Jasper, and I wanted some stuff that was more solid red. So I could have both. This is okay, I'm not going to know which is which until I actually open them up, because the label is on the inside of the bag. Oh, okay. The box is getting heavy. Okay, so I know what I bought, I just don't know which is which. Mexican Crazy Lace Agate. Mexican Crazy Lace. I got a lot of agate in this batch. No, this is the Mexican Crazy Lace. This is the Mexican Crazy Lace Agate. I know it's hard to tell in a bag when it's rough. This is Botswana Agate. And this is Lake Superior Agate. All of those have been on my wish list, my to tumble list. And Kingsley North had all of these. So I'm super excited. Now, my hands are all dusty. Now I gotta get organized and put all this stuff away because now I have a big mess. But, you know, I hope you enjoyed this little video where I share where I get some of my rocks and supplies and the quality of their shipping, because some places, they're not all that great. And I want you to avoid some of those places. But Kingsley North and Rock Shed, super quality. I've already bought again from the Rock Shed over and over again. And yeah, I will buy from Kingsley North again when they get new stuff in. So anyway, have a great day. If you're interested in rock tumbling at all and you'd like to see my rock tumbling adventures and more videos like this, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thanks.